If your oil's a little darker, yellowish like this, brown, don't freak out because synthetic oil is usually this color. Okay, it's a little darker. What up? What up, player? Check this out. Do not get played. I'm telling you, these people will play you like you ain't nothing because they don't give a damn about you. They know your car can go 30,000 miles on a single oil change, as long as you have enough oil in your engine, that is. But I'm going to show you. Before you take your car in to get your oil change, remember to do this. Try to do. Now, cars like BMWs don't have a dipstick. All right. So, what dealers can do, and they can scam you, and they do it every single day. Take $100 from you, and they're done. But check this out. This is an easy way to check your oil before you take it in, and after you get your oil change. Here's a way you can check your oil. All right. And I've been scammed. I'm guaranteeing you, I've been scammed. I've done this many times. See this? You take the cap off and let it drip. Wait for it to drip. And you'll see how, come on, drip. Drip, boy! Okay, it's not dripping. There we go. I got it to drip. Now, check this out. I just got an oil change. Listen, does that look like clean oil to you? I mean, you're pretty smart. Right there. Look at. Now that's some clean oil right there. Listen, also, don't freak out if you have oil that's a little brownish and yellow, because synthetic oil is a little darker. But you can tell that this is clean. Alright, this is some clean oil. You can tell right there. That's good oil. Okay? Check this out. Even looking in here, you can tell that's pretty clean, right? You can see that nice thick oil. That's synthetic oil, but a lot of dealerships will rip you off. For do your diligence, always look up, see what's going on, check your oil, because they will. Even dealerships will rip you off. Easy, dude. These guys are making $10 an hour. You think they give a damn about you and your car, your rich car, your expensive car that you got for free? You didn't work for it. Not. You don't know how hard people work for their money. Anyway, thumb this video up if you my dog. Holla at me. Don't subscribe. You ain't got to subscribe because I'm not really looking for subscribers. But just, trying to get some views and maybe make a little money. But also, watch out, dude, because you will be played. Bye.